In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect Google Calendar in Kartra. If your appointment stops syncing, confirmations don't show up, or you recently changed your Google password, your Kartra Google connection may have expired. Reconnecting refreshes the secure permission Google gives Kartra so your bookings flow again without duplicates or missed events. Start in your Kartra dashboard. Open the menu on the left and head into Settings, then choose Integrations. Find the Google Calendar integration in the list. Click the three dots to open the Options menu and select Reauthorize. This tells Kartra you want to renew the connection rather than create a brand new one, which keeps your existing settings intact. Next, click Connect Google. A Google sign-in window will appear. Choose the Google account that owns the calendar you use for bookings. If you use more than one account in your browser, double-check you're picking the correct one to avoid syncing the wrong calendar. If nothing opens, enable pop-ups for Kartra and try again. Google will show what access Kartra is requesting, such as reading your calendars and creating events. Click Continue to grant access. You may see a second confirmation screen summarizing those permissions. Click Continue again to finalize. You'll be redirected back to Kartra's integrations page. After a moment, the Google Calendar row should show as connected or recently updated. If you don't see the status change right away, refresh the page. Still stuck? Make sure you're logged into the right Google account in that browser session, and retry the Reauthorize flow from the three dots menu. That's it. From Dashboard to Settings into Integrations, open the three dots, choose Reauthorize, click Connect Google, pick your account, and confirm twice. Your Google Calendar is now reconnected to Kartra, and new appointments will sync smoothly going forward.